The future of off-road dominance has arrived, and it wears a three-pointed star. This isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a revolution on four towering wheels. The 2026 Mercedes G-Class 4x4 Squared Unleashed storms into the spotlight as a 250K luxury off-road beast that dares to rewrite the rules of capability, comfort, and presence. If you thought the G-Wagon was already unstoppable, prepare to have your expectations shattered. From the very first glance, the 2026 G-Class 4x4 Squared looks like it was engineered in a secret lab where military toughness meets red carpet glamour. Its iconic boxy silhouette remains proudly intact, but everything about it is amplified. The ride height is outrageous, thanks to portal axles that lift the body dramatically above the terrain. Massive all-terrain tires fill aggressively flared wheel arches, while a redesigned grille, updated LED light signatures, and reinforced steel bumpers give it a sharper, more futuristic stare. It doesn't just drive down the road, it dominates it. Aerodynamics may not be the first word you associate with a G-Wagon, yet Mercedes has subtly refined airflow with redesigned roof edges and underbody shielding. Functional skid plates, exposed recovery hooks, and available carbon fiber accents blend rugged engineering with high fashion. Whether parked outside a five-star hotel in Dubai or crawling over desert dunes, this machine looks equally at home. It's not trying to fit in, it's built to stand alone. Step inside, and the transformation is shocking. The 4x4 Squared may look like an off-road tank, but the cabin feels like a private jet lounge. Dual widescreen displays stretch across the dashboard, powered by the latest MBUX system with AI-enhanced voice control. Say, "Hey Mercedes," and the SUV responds like a digital co-pilot. Crisp graphics, augmented reality navigation, and customizable ambient lighting turn every drive into a high-tech experience. Premium Nappa leather wraps the seats, stitched with obsessive precision. Available carbon fiber or open-pore wood trims add personality, while heated, ventilated, and massaging seats ensure supreme comfort even in the harshest environments. The Burmester 3D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a rolling concert hall. Despite its extreme off-road DNA, refinement defines every inch of the interior. It feels less like an SUV and more like a command center for adventure. But let's talk power, because this beast doesn't whisper. Under the hood, the 2026 G-Class 4x4 Squared is expected to house a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, pushing output beyond 600 horsepower. Some reports hint at electrified assistance for improved torque delivery and efficiency. Either way, acceleration is astonishing for something this tall and rugged. 0 to 60 happens in around 4.5 seconds, a figure that defies physics for a machine of this size. The real magic, however, begins when the pavement ends. Portal axles increase ground clearance dramatically, allowing the 4x4 Squared to conquer obstacles that would leave ordinary SUVs stranded. 3 locking differentials, adaptive suspension, and advanced terrain management systems give it near mythical climbing ability. It doesn't just tackle mountains, it humiliates them. Deep water crossings, rocky inclines, loose sand, this Mercedes treats them like minor inconveniences. Handling has also evolved. Despite its towering height, improved suspension geometry and recalibrated steering make it surprisingly composed on highways. It feels planted, confident, almost intelligent. Can it challenge performance SUVs on asphalt? Surprisingly, yes, but its true arena remains the wild. Safety and innovation are equally impressive. The 2026 G-Class 4x4 Squared integrates the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control with off-road functionality, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and enhanced trail mapping technology. Reinforced body construction ensures maximum durability, while updated software allows over-the-air updates to keep systems current. This is old-school toughness fused with new-age intelligence. And then there's the statement it makes. In a world rapidly shifting toward electric crossovers and minimalist design, the G-Class 4x4 Squared stands as a bold declaration that excess, capability, and character still matter. It's not subtle, it's not practical in the traditional sense, but it represents freedom, the ability to drive anywhere in uncompromising luxury. Priced around $250,000, this machine sits in rarefied air. It competes with ultra-luxury off-roaders and high-performance SUVs, yet nothing quite matches its personality. The Land Rover Defender may offer refinement. High-end electric SUVs promise silent speed, but neither delivers this unique fusion of heritage, spectacle, and brute strength. Is this the ultimate G-Wagon evolution? It just might be. Beyond the specs and features, the 2026 G-Class 4x4 Squared symbolizes something bigger. It represents confidence in mechanical engineering during a digital revolution. It proves that luxury doesn't have to sacrifice toughness, and it reminds us that driving can still be emotional, dramatic, and unforgettable. So, who is this SUV for? It's for the adventurer who refuses to compromise, the entrepreneur who wants to arrive anywhere, city streets or desert trails, with undeniable presence, the enthusiast who believes power should feel alive, not muted. This isn't transportation, it's a declaration. As the automotive world races toward electrification and autonomy, Mercedes delivers a machine that blends tradition with innovation in spectacular fashion. The 2026 G-Class 4x4 Squared isn't just another update. It's a statement piece, a luxury fortress, and an off-road monster rolled into one. If you crave a vehicle that turns every journey into an event, this might be the beast you've been waiting for. The question is simple. Are you ready to unleash it? Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.